Alright, well this will make for a little interesting vlog. Let me zoometh in here. That's our moon. If this camera would ever want to focus. Probably doesn't want to focus because I've got the... But anyways, it's not so much about the moon, but what's going on over here. It's 12:30 in the morning, although you really can't see it very well. As I vlog this, there's a lone thunderstorm that has popped up out of the middle of nowhere. And it is actually heading of all directions southwest. You can kind of see the clouds. I can see it a lot better than what the camera can pick up, but I can actually see the rain moving its way in here, and it flashed lightning once, and that's what alerted me to the fact that we've got a storm going on. But at this point, I'm not seeing too much in the way of, at least not feeling any rain yet. Yeah, you can kind of see the clouds there that are lit up by the moon. And I can see some haze on those clouds, which is rainfall. So yeah, there's the radar animation over the last hour, or actually the last 45 minutes. Storm just popped up out of nowhere. Well, there is a special weather statement out for this storm, so they didn't notice it. So yeah, I'm back outside now, and I'm starting to get some sprinkles. I can definitely see the rain coming out. So I think we will get a little heavier here as time progresses. And then again, there's our full moon. This thing is supposed to be able to focus on that, and it's not. Okay, there's a better shot of the moon. And as I pull the camera out wide here, starting to get a little bit of rain here. Again, this is the view from the front yard. So there was like that one flash of lightning that alerted me to the fact that we have a storm coming. And again, this is very unusual because this just kind of popped up out of nowhere. So I'm kind of curious about what kind of dynamics would be up in the atmosphere to allow this to go on. But we're actually starting to get rain now, so I'm going to go inside and do some filming. So yeah, the rain has started now. And then there's our moon. And the skies above me are clear. So this is kind of a very, very strange situation for the end of July. A little pop-up thunderstorm. It just kind of came up out of nowhere here. You can hear the rain on the vent pipe for the water heater. Still got a light rain falling. So yeah, it's now just a little after 1 in the morning. Our Storm is starting to weaken. We're at 55 dBs earlier. We're down to 40. And the worst of it now is kind of hitting out here over in Fairfax. So yeah, a very, very unusual night as this storm moves its way on out here. I will post this video. So as always, I thank you for watching, I thank you for liking, and I definitely thank you for subscribing. We'll see you next week.